Did you get anything from that? These are the points that we want you to get from that, and then we'll take segment of refreshment. We want you to accept that you live in a vibrational world, that energy is really what it's all about. And we want you to accept that the action-oriented part of your world is not what makes it go. It's how you enjoy what you've made go. But if you try to make the action part of it what makes it go, then you don't have any enjoyment, because there's no power or leverage in that. So if you can give yourself permission, just try to stretch your belief system just enough to believe that good things will come to you naturally, and that you don't have to effort or work hard for them, and that in fact you've done all of the sifting and sorting, and you have created it, and your inner being has tended to it, and it's ripe and ready for the plucking. So you would focus upon whatever it takes to feel good, sort of like the first conversation we had today. You'd focus upon whatever it takes for you to feel good, and then you begin witnessing things unfolding. The thing that trips most of you up is that you still believe, you too a little bit, that you have to work hard in order to deserve the things that are coming to you. And you've got to get over that, because that action orientation will keep you from the vibrational alignment that provides the true leverage of living happily ever after. You are not doers, you are beers. You are not creators through action, you are creators through molding of energy through your mind. And the things that manifest and come together are the result of the leverage of aligning your mind. It's not the action that makes it happen. And then you got to say, but Abraham, all of those people, all of those things that have come together, somebody wired it, somebody built it, somebody dragged it, somebody built the wall, somebody did all of that. And we say, yes, and if they were very wise and very inspired, they were tuned in, tapped in, turned on while they were doing it, so they were taking pleasure from all of that action, you see. And when you decide that you're going to take pleasure all the way along, and you decide just for a little while, especially in the beginning, to let the action part of it be inconsequential. So here you are, you came full circle. You found the property, you got in alignment, you followed your bliss, you attracted several things that you wanted all at the same time, and then through inspired action you had the time of your life. There was nothing about that was hard, was there? It was inspired. All right, good time for a segment of refreshment.